Hi friends, it's Auntie Cuckoo and I have a little spring haul for you guys. So it's beautiful today, it's sunny and 70 degrees, and I thought I would bring you all outside. So for those of you who are still dealing with weather and snow in your area, I thought I'd share a little bit of sunshine with you. Now I have things from Michael's, Ross, Walmart, Amazon, and a couple things from my 99-cent store to share. Let's start with Walmart. Now you should definitely check out their garden area. I found this super cute little garden flag with the beehive on it, and it was under $5. I think it's so cute with the sunflowers, and that's gonna go really well with my Dollar Tree garden flag hanger. And then I did pick up a bee pillow. So I've shared my front porch with you guys before, and I have some black and white buffalo plaid outdoor pillows from Walmart there. They still look great. I've had them out there since fall, and this is just $5. I love that it has a reverse print, so you could get two and do one in the yellow and white and one in the bee. But for $5 you cannot beat it. They had some other ones that are super cute. I think a truck. It said spring flowers, and you may just want to check that area out. That's also where I found these. Now these are saucers for your plants, but I think this screams farmhouse decor. So it is by Better Homes and Gardens, and it comes in 3 sizes. I got the medium and the large, and I want to say the large one was $7 and the medium was closer to $5. And while I was there sharing their spring home decor, I picked up the shutter house. Now I am thinking of painting just the roof black and using it sort of behind some family photos on a shelf, but I'm not quite sure yet. And definitely see the clearance aisle in your Walmart. They're clearancing a lot right now, and I was able to grab this really cute little house wax melt warmer, I guess that's what you call it. So this is what the box looked like, and it was tagged on clearance for $11, and I scanned it at one of the price checkers and it was only $4. So they're normally $15, and I couldn't pass that up. Now for Amazon. So I love Amazon, and the best part is you can shop at home in your pajamas. So I did pick up some yellow ribbon. I wanted a really wide ribbon that had that sort of burlap texture but a tighter weave, and it does have wire edge. This is, I think, 25 yards, and yes, and I paid under $10. It was 9 and change, so I love that. I have some plans for that. And while I was shopping on Amazon, I came across this and just had to pick it up. Now I think this one was $8. I could be wrong. I'll have to double check for you guys. But I did have some birthday money to spend, and this is what I wanted to spend it on. So I'm really crazy for the bees right now, and there is a sign I'm looking for at Big Lots. My store has not yet gotten it, so I might get another bee sign in the near future. Another thing I picked up for my spring and summer decor is this sunny yellow table runner. Now it was $8, and they had a few different lengths. This one I believe is the shorter one, and I'll be bringing you guys a whole video where you get to see this again. But I thought it had a really nice pattern, and things like this work well for spring and summer. And from Amazon I got this rug. So I thought it looked a lot like Honeycomb, and it's the perfect size for my front door area. And honestly, I don't like a whole lot of front door mats, and this one I just thought was super cute. Now from Target Dollar Spot, I did pick up some of the wooden Easter eggs. You get 6 for $3. Thought that was a good deal. And then Rite Aid or Thrifty. So I did share on Instagram when I was there that I picked up this set of 3 pots. They do come stacked in different patterns and colors, and they're normally $30, $29.99. I picked up this whole set for $14.99. So you get the small one, a medium, and the large, and I have been working on my garden. I'm so excited to get those to use. While I was there, they had this super cute birdhouse that is a white bee skep, and I just couldn't pass it up. So it was originally $19.99. All their garden stuff is 50% off, so I picked it up for $9. And now for a few items I found at Ross. The first is this sign. It is a really good size. I just really love everything about it. It's on a boxed wooden type of backing, and you guys, this was $6.99. It is missing one of the little corner things, but that's not a huge deal for me. Definitely not a deal breaker. And while I was there, I came across this carrot garland. So it's $8.99, and you do get 8 carrots on the garland, buffalo plaid and the orange. What I'm doing is I'm just literally pulling it off of the burlap, and you really can't beat the price for $8.99 to get 8 carrots of that size for Easter decor. And then I also picked up a bright yellow planter for $3.99 at Ross. So that's going to go really well with all of my yellow stuff. And I have a 99-cent store. I know not everyone does. Let me show you guys a few things I found there. They're putting out some really cute things for the garden. So I did get this little metal daisy. I think it was, yeah, it was $1.99. And then they had a little bee wind chime, and that one was 99 cents. They had a frog and a ladybug or something like that. I also got this cement pot because of the honeycomb pattern. I might be painting this. You guys can hear the neighbors in their backyard playing. It's been so nice out today. And then I got this super cute little watering can. I'm definitely not going to use it as a watering can. I'll use it for decor. It was only $1.99. And these, which I'm thrilled about, I got 2. They were $2.49 a piece. So I just love them. They're the grapevine style hanging baskets. And then they had these really cute flower planters that are that boho look. And it was just $1.99. So I got this one in white. And then now let me turn around and show you guys everything from Michael's. So when I headed into Michael's, I was 90% sure I was going to walk out with the potting shed sign, and I did. So it's originally priced at $59.99. It was 50% off, and then I had an additional 20% off coupon. So I think I got a really good deal on it. It's just one of those things I saw back right after the holidays, and I haven't been able to get it out of my head. Then in the same area, I picked up these planter boots. So these are the tallest planter boots I've ever seen. They're originally $34.99, and again 50% off with an additional 20. And I'm not sure if I'm going to do flowers in them or succulents, but I did pick up some tulips. They do have some really great deals on their floral right now. So this whole bunch was under $5 with all my coupons. And then they did a sale where if you buy 1 bunch of floral, you get 2 free. So I picked up a few yellow flowers to go with all of my bee decor. So I hope you guys enjoyed seeing all of my new treasures for spring. Once I get everything in place, I'll definitely be sharing it with you in a video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you back very soon.